What's the meaning of counterinsurgency? Counterinsurgency. Counterinsurgency.
Counterinsurgency. Counterinsurgency. Counterinsurgency refers to the military or political action taken by a government to combat a rebellion or insurgency from within its own country. This approach encompasses a range of strategies, including military force, intelligence gathering, and political and economic reforms, aimed at weakening and ultimately defeating insurgent groups. The ultimate goal of counterinsurgency is to establish stability and security in the affected region, thereby allowing for the restoration of normalcy and the rebuilding of society. Its success depends on a wide range of factors, including the effectiveness and legitimacy of the government, the support of the local population, and the capabilities of the opposing forces.